Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to clear my OneDrive storage. Follow these steps to clear OneDrive storage. First, open OneDrive Online. Go to OneDrive Online and sign in with your Microsoft account. Check your storage usage. Click the gear icon in the top right. Choose Options, then Manage Storage, and then go to Storage Summary to see how much space is being used. Click on OneDrive to go to your OneDrive files. Choose large or unneeded files or folders, and click Delete, then hit Delete to confirm. Empty the OneDrive Recycled bin. Click Recycle Bin in the left panel, then choose Empty Recycle Bin to permanently free up space. Remove large files from Shared folder. Click Shared in the left panel and delete large files that were shared with you if not needed. Use OneDrive Storage Management tool. In Settings, go to Options. Check for large files under Manage Storage and remove them. Stop syncing unnecessary folders. Click the OneDrive or the cloud icon in the taskbar. Then click on OneDrive again. Go to Settings, Account, choose Folders, and uncheck folders you don't need, and hit OK. Upgrade storage. If storage is full, consider upgrading your OneDrive plan. For more space, under Settings, then Upgrade. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.